Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss one more case study based question. These case study based questions will be asked in the CBSE exam 2021. And this is the part 14, and previously I have uploaded 33 parts. It means 33 questions I have discussed. Go to the playlist and watch all the 33 parts so that you will get an idea that which type of questions can be asked as case study based questions and how to deal with such questions. Now let us see today's question. And here is a question. An architect is a skilled professor who plans and designs buildings and generally plays a key role in their construction. Ajay is a licensed architecture and design very innovative house. He has made a house layout for his client which is given below. In the layout, the design and the measurement has been added such that the area of 2 bedrooms and a kitchen together is 95 square meter. Here what is given that the area of 2 bedrooms and kitchen together is 95 square meter, and you have to answer the following question. So let us see the first question. The question is that which pair of linear equations does describe this situation? Now friends, it is given that the area of 2 bedrooms and kitchen is given as 95 meter. So first equation we will get from this information. So area of bedroom will be what? Length into breadth. So that will be x into 5. So that will be 5x. Correct? And similarly area of the second room, that will be also 5 into x. That will be 5x. So the area of 2 bedrooms and the area of this kitchen, that will be equal to what? This length will be 5 meter and this will be y meter. So it will be 5 into y, length plus breadth, length into breadth. So it will be 5y, and which is equal to, this is given as 95 meter. And so this will be 10x plus 5y, which is equal to 95. So 10x plus 5y is equal to 95, and so that will be equal to 2x. If you take out 5 as a common factor and divide by 5 throughout the equation, you will get 2x plus y is equal to 19. So this is the equation number 1 we are getting. Now the second information we have that this length is what? This total length will be x. This is given as 2 meter. This bedroom length is given as 2 meter, and so this will be x plus 2 plus y. This will be the total length. But this total length is given as 25 meter. Sorry friends, do here one correction that it is 15 meter. And so this another equation will be what? X plus 2 plus y is equal to 15. So x plus 2 plus y, that is equal to 15. Take 2 to the other side, so it will be minus 2, and so it is x plus y is equal to 15 minus 2, that is 13. This will be the second equation. So the situation will be expressed by which one? So it is 2x plus y is equal to 19, and second is x plus y is equal to 13. So this first option is the correct option. Now see the another question. What is the length of the outer boundary? What is the length of the outer boundary of the layout? So here the outer boundary of the layout will be this distance plus this distance plus this distance plus this distance. The sum of all the 4 sides, that will give you the length of the outer boundary of the layout. So what is this distance? This will be 5 meter plus 2 meter plus 5 meter. That will be 5 and 5 10 and 2 12 meter. Plus this side will also be again 12 meter. This will be also 12 meter. So plus 12 meter plus this is 15 meter, and this opposite will also be 15 meters, so it will be 15 plus 15, so 30 plus 24, that will be 54 meter, and therefore the D option will be the correct option, that the length of the outer boundary of the layout is 54 meter. Now see the another question. What is the area of the bedroom 1? This is the bedroom 1 and we have to find the area of this bedroom. So to find the area of the bedroom, what is that area? Length into breadth. So to find the area, we will require the value of x. So first we will have to find the x, and that we can get with the help of the two equations we got in the first question. So here are the two equations that we have got, that 2x plus y is equal to 19 and x plus y is equal to 13. Solving these two equations, we can find the value of x and then the area. So here first our equation is what? It is 2x plus y is equal to 19, and another equation is x plus y, that is equal to 13. If we subtract these two equations, sign will change, so y will get cancelled out, and so 2x minus x, that will be x. So x is equal to 19 minus 13, that is 6. So here you have got x as 6 meter, and therefore now we can find as the area of the bedroom 1, that is 6 into 5 length into breadth, that is 6 5s are 30, and therefore the B option is the correct option, that is area of the bedroom 1 is 30 square meter. Here they may ask what is the total area of the bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. So both are of the equal dimensions. So this will be 30 square meter, this will be 30 square meter, and total it will be 60 square meter. Now move to the next question. What is the area of the living room in the layout? Now the living room is this much of the part, white part completely. So this is the living room, and we have to find the area of this living room. So to find the area of the living room, what we will do, we will find the area of this part, correct, and minus the area of the bedroom. That will give you the area of the living room. So to find the area of the living room, first we will find the area of this much part. Suppose I name it as A, B, C, D. Area of ABCD minus area of, suppose this is PQR, then we can say that area minus area of APQR. So how you will find the area of this ABCD? It will be what? Length into breadth. Length is what? It is 15 meter, and breadth is what? It is 5 meter. So length into breadth, sorry, this will be 5 and 2. This total length, it will be 7 meter. So 15 into 7 will be this total area. So 15 into 7 minus area of this bedroom. We have already calculated this. A bedroom area is 30 square meter. So this area will also be 30 square meter. So it will be minus 30. And so 15 7s are 105 minus 30, which is equal to 75 square meter. And so friends, here the C option will be the correct option, that is 75 square meter will be the area of the living room. Now see the last question of today's episode. So what is the cost of laying tiles in kitchen at the rate of 50 rupees per square meter? We have to lay the tiles here in the kitchen, correct, and the rate is what? Rupees 50 per square meter. So that first we will have to find the area of this, and then we will have to find the rate at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter, and that is for the homework. Friends, you have to solve this and write your answer through the comment box. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.